Welcome to GoLogica. Today we discuss the Apache Cassandra tutorial. Here we can provide a roadmap of Apache Cassandra. About course. What is Apache Cassandra and how it works? Setting up and configuring Cassandra. Data modeling and querying in Cassandra. Roles and salaries in Apache Cassandra training program. Let us discuss the About course. This course is designed to comprehensive understanding of Apache Cassandra, from fundamental concepts to advanced applications. You will learn about its distributed architecture, data modeling, and query language, CQL. The course covers essential topics such as installation, configuration, performance tuning, and real-world applications. Additionally, you will explore best practices for optimizing Cassandra's performance, ensuring fault tolerance, and achieving high availability. Through hands-on exercises and real-world case studies, you will gain practical experience in setting up multi-node Cassandra clusters and implementing scalable data solutions. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in managing and developing applications using Cassandra, preparing you for roles such as Cassandra Developer, Database Administrator, and Data Engineer. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, this course will equip you with the skills required to leverage Apache Cassandra effectively. What is Apache Cassandra and how it works? Apache Cassandra is a highly scalable, distributed NoSQL database that is designed to handle vast amounts of data across multiple servers with no single point of failure. Originally developed at Facebook and later open-sourced under the Apache Software Foundation, Cassandra is widely used for applications requiring high availability, fault tolerance, and scalability. Unlike traditional relational databases, Cassandra follows a masterless, peer-to-peer architecture where all nodes are equal, eliminating bottlenecks and ensuring continuous availability. Cassandra distributes data across a cluster of nodes using a partitioning strategy, such as the Murmur-3 partitioner, which ensures even data distribution and load balancing. The database employs a replication mechanism that allows data to be stored on multiple nodes, enhancing fault tolerance and data redundancy. Users can configure consistency levels to balance performance and reliability based on application requirements. Cassandra handles write operations efficiently by first recording data in a commit log, then storing it in an in-memory mem table before flushing it to disk in SS tables. Read operations retrieve data from the latest SS tables, ensuring speed and accuracy. With built-in mechanisms such as hinted handoff, read repair, and automatic node recovery, Cassandra maintains strong availability even in the event of hardware failures. Because of its decentralized design, organizations use Apache Cassandra for mission-critical applications in industries such as social media, e-commerce, banking, and IoT. It is optimized for high write speeds, real-time analytics, and distributed computing environments, making it a preferred choice for businesses that need scalable and resilient database solutions. Now we discuss the key features of Cassandra Apache. Cassandra is known for its scalability, fault tolerance, and high availability, making it a preferred choice for handling large-scale data applications. One of its most powerful features is scalability, as it allows horizontal scaling by adding new nodes without any downtime. Another critical feature is fault tolerance. Cassandra ensures data redundancy by replicating data across multiple nodes. Even if some nodes fail, the system continues to operate without data loss, thanks to its replication strategy and features like hinted handoff and read repair. These mechanisms ensure data consistency and prevent disruptions, making Cassandra resilient to hardware failures and network issues. Additionally, high availability is a core advantage of Cassandra. The database is designed for 100% uptime, ensuring that applications remain operational without interruptions. Its ability to replicate data across multiple data centers enhances disaster recovery and supports business continuity. This feature is particularly beneficial for industries like finance, e-commerce, and telecommunications, where data availability is crucial. Overall, Apache Cassandra's scalability, fault tolerance, and high availability make it a robust solution for organizations looking to manage large-scale, distributed databases efficiently. By leveraging these key features, businesses can ensure seamless data access, optimal performance, and reliability in their operations. Here we can discuss setting up and configuring Cassandra. Setting up and configuring Apache Cassandra involves multiple steps to ensure a stable and high-performing database system. The first step is to install Java Development Kit, JDK, as Cassandra is built on Java and requires a compatible version to function properly. Once Java is installed, download the latest version of Apache Cassandra from the official website and extract the package. After installation, configure environment variables such as Cassandra Home to point to the installation directory. Next, modify the Cassandra configuration file, which controls various parameters such as cluster name, data directories, seed nodes, replication factor, and consistency levels. Setting the correct cluster name is essential for ensuring that all nodes in the system recognize each other correctly. Adjusting the replication factor and consistency levels helps balance data, availability, and performance according to the requirements of your application. Once the configuration is complete, start Cassandra using the Cassandra F command in the terminal to run it in the foreground, or use the service Cassandra start command for production environments. Verify that the installation was successful by running node tool status, which provides information about the nodes in the cluster, their states, and data distribution. After successfully starting Cassandra, it is crucial to optimize its performance by tuning memory allocation, JVM heap size, and compaction strategies. Properly setting up the commit log, memtable thresholds, and storage engine optimizations enhances read and write performance. Additionally, administrators should implement monitoring solutions such as Prometheus or Grafana to track system health and detect potential issues early. Finally, configuring G-security settings like authentication, role-based access control, and SSL encryption ensures that the database is protected from unauthorized access. Do you know data modeling and querying in Cassandra? Data modeling in Apache Cassandra is significantly different from traditional relational databases due to its distributed architecture. Instead of normalizing data across multiple tables, Cassandra relies on denormalization and duplication to optimize read performance. A well-designed data model in Cassandra starts with understanding query patterns and then structuring the tables accordingly. The choice of primary keys plays a crucial role in determining data distribution across nodes. A primary key consists of a partition key and optional clustering columns. The partition key ensures even data distribution, while clustering columns define how data is stored within each partition. Cassandra Query Language, CQL, is used to interact with the database. It is similar to SQL but optimized for NoSQL environments. Common CQL commands include create table, insert, select, update, and delete. Queries should be designed to efficiently retrieve data by leveraging partition and clustering keys. Secondary indexes and materialized views can further optimize query performance, but should be used judiciously to avoid performance degradation. Joins and complex aggregations should be avoided, as Cassandra is designed for high-speed reads and writes rather than transactional operations. Overall, effective data modeling in Cassandra requires careful planning, a deep understanding of access patterns, and adherence to best practices to ensure scalability and performance. Here we can discuss the roles and salaries in Apache Cassandra. Professionals with expertise in Apache Cassandra can pursue various roles in the tech industry, each offering competitive salaries based on experience and location. A Cassandra database administrator is responsible for managing Cassandra clusters, ensuring optimal performance, and troubleshooting database issues. These professionals earn an average salary of $90,000 to $140,000 per annum. A Cassandra developer designs and develops applications using Cassandra, implementing efficient data models and queries. Their salaries range from $80,000 to $130,000 per annum. Another in-demand role is a data engineer, Cassandra specialist, which involves designing scalable data pipelines and integrating Cassandra with big data technologies like Apache Spark and Kafka. These engineers can expect salaries between $100,000 to $160,000 per annum. Additionally, organizations seek big data architects, site reliability engineers, cloud engineers, machine learning engineers, data scientists, software architects, DevOps engineers, database consultants, security engineers, and solutions architects who leverage Cassandra for building distributed, high-performance systems. These roles often command salaries ranging from $100,000 to over $180,000 annually, depending on experience and industry demand. The demand for Apache Cassandra experts is growing as businesses rely on real-time data processing, making it a lucrative career path. Mastering Cassandra can open doors to top companies and exciting opportunities in big data, cloud computing, and enterprise-level solutions. Finally, we discuss the training program for Apache. Cassandra GoLogica offers an Apache Cassandra training program designed to equip learners with the necessary knowledge and hands-on skills to master this powerful NoSQL database. The program is structured into 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. At the beginner level, students will be introduced to NoSQL databases, the core concepts of Apache Cassandra, and the Cassandra Query Language, CQL. The intermediate level focuses on setting up and configuring multi-node Cassandra clusters, understanding replication and consistency models, and tuning performance for optimal efficiency. The advanced level delves deep into the internals of Cassandra, including its storage engine, compaction strategies, and advanced troubleshooting techniques. The training program includes a mix of theoretical lessons, practical labs, real-world case studies, and industry-relevant projects. Learners will work on hands-on exercises, such as setting up distributed clusters, performing complex queries, and implementing best practices for scalability and fault tolerance. The course also emphasizes optimizing read and write performance, monitoring cluster health, and ensuring high availability through replication strategies. Additionally, learners will explore how Cassandra integrates with big data and cloud platforms. Upon completion of the training, participants will be well equipped to handle large-scale data workloads, design efficient data models, and deploy high-performance applications using Cassandra. This program is ideal for database administrators, software developers, data engineers, and IT professionals looking to advance their careers in big data and distributed databases. With the demand for Cassandra experts growing rapidly, mastering this technology opens doors to numerous career opportunities in top tech companies. Join us at GoLogica Apache Cassandra online training and elevate your skills to the next level.